Hey friend, this is Eric from Miller Music, and today we are doing a shootout between the reverb on my tube amp versus the reverb on my pedal. And we're just going to see which sounds better. And specifically, we're going to be using spring reverb because there's spring reverb on the amp. And then we're going to use the same spring reverb setting on the pedal. So for the pedal today, it's going to be the Ocean's 11 reverb by Electro Harmonix. And this is a 15-watt Fender Blues Junior amp. We're going to jump right into that. But first, before we do, I encourage you to just download my free Great Guitar Tone Checklist. What it is, it's a video guide giving you 5 simple steps you can apply immediately to your guitar tone without purchasing any new equipment to improve your tone. So you can just download that in the link below. And let's jump in for our topic for today. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is doing 3 different tones: a clean tone, an overdriven tone, and then a heavily overdriven tone. All right, so this is going to be the tube amp reverb with a clean setting. Now we're going to try the clean setting with the pedal. Not really sure why I'm into this Phrygian mode today, but it sounds kind of cool with reverb. So we're just going to go with it. Let's add a little distortion. All right, a little bit more distortion. Now this is extra distortion. Okay, extra distortion. want to know what you guys think. So leave a comment in the description below and just let me know which you think sounds better, the amplifier or the pedal. For the spring reverb, they're pretty close. I mean, they're pretty close in tone. I would have to say I like the reverb sound from the amp a slight bit better, just because it feels a little bit more alive. It feels more natural to me. It's an actual spring reverb, and I'm hearing that from the amp sitting right next to me, so that could have something to do with it. But I'll be interested to listen to this video back and just see what it sounds like, you know, through the microphone or the speakers that way, just to see what sounds better. But leave me a comment in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.